Hello fam, today I have my Streamlab open and I am going to take you through how you can monitor audio or sound in Streamlab OBS. It's always good you monitor all your sound before you push it to the streaming services. So if you're a streamer and you used to stream and you are familiar with Streamlab OBS, or if you are not familiar with Streamlab OBS, this video is a very short video to guide you on how you can monitor the sound before you push it out to the streaming services. Thank you for joining. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have my Streamlab already opened, and with my connected sound audios, I have my mic and I have my background audio playing good. And one issue is you will not have any option to monitor it by default, but they have a settings that you can toggle with. Then you have to enable audio monitor, then you monitor all the audios before you push. So let me take you through. Now I want to monitor the background sound and listen and see if it is good. If I'm satisfied with it, then I push it to the streaming service. So let me say I'll come. If you want to monitor audio in Streamlab OBS, you have to come to this place, this gear icon, click on this setting icon, then it will take you to where you can see all the audios and everything. Then here you find the audio you want to monitor. So right now I am going to monitor the background audio, which is this one. Good. So I'll click on it. So now you see it's monitor off, monitor only, into brackets, mute output, and monitor and output. Let me take my time and explain this. If you have your audio always at default, which is monitor off, it means that you are not going to play and listen to yourself, or you can't monitor the audio. But if you set it to monitor only, it means you are going to monitor the audio, but when you are streaming, the viewers will not listen or will not be able to hear what is going on. That audio will be muted from the service. It won't push to the streaming service. That is what I mean. Good. And you have monitor and output. Monitor and output means that you will be able to monitor, and your viewers out there in Facebook, YouTube, Twitch will also hear what is going on. So it means that the audio is going to be shared between you and your viewers. Good. So now let me put it on monitor and output. Good. So now let me reduce it. Now you can see I can hear the sound. Everything is all right. So if I want to increase the sound, let's say to this. Good. So this is how you can monitor the sound. You have to listen to the sound, set it to a level you want it to be, then you start streaming. Good. So now we have the background sound playing. One thing you need to know about audio monitor is this. It's very, very important, so you must note this. When you use Streamlab OBS and you are monitoring a sound, you experience a little delay in the sound. You will experience a little delay. It means that if you are monitoring the sound of your camera or the sound of your mic which you are using, there is going to be a delay between the audio and the video. You won't see a perfect match. The viewers is not going to experience, or they are not going to get that correct synchronization. So the best way is to listen to the audio. First listen to it or monitor it before you push it live. So when you are live and you are still listening to yourself, it means that those listening out there are going to experiencing some synchronization. The audio will not match with your mouth. That is what you are going to experience. But if you have any background music playing that it has nothing to do with like it got nothing to do with matching with your mouth, or so you can do play. But one thing, if you are dancing with that music, then there comes a problem. If you are dancing with that background music, it means that you are going to experience some mismatch. The dance will not match with the background music because you are going to experience some delay. So always it's better you have to do something about it. What you need to do to fix this, I will teach you in my next video. You can make some adjustment to make sure that everything matches. You can make some adjustment to make sure all audio and video matches. Good. So I am going to turn off this and turn on or monitor the mic, and you will see what I am talking about. You will hear the sound double. The sound will be double because I'm going to turn it on, so it's going to record twice, and you will see that one audio will be faster than the other. So let me take you through this. Let me go to the same place again. Then right now we are going to turn this off, and let me turn the mic on. So right now you could say I am monitoring the sound of this mic, and you could see a crash, and the sound is double, right? Yes, you can see a crash in the sound. It's because I'm monitoring and streaming at the same time, so the sound will be double. So the best way to monitor your sound is through going through these settings. Good. So let me turn it off again. So let me turn this off. You turn it. Yes, now it's off. Good. And the background is still on. So that is how to do the monitoring, and you can monitor all your sound. And it's always best that if you are monitoring a sound which goes with your mic, do the monitor first before you stream or before you record it. So if you're using Streamlabs OBS doing internal recording and you want to monitor the sound, monitor it first before you click on this record button to record all your programs, in order not to have that synchronization delay in audio and video. Thank you. Please, if you find this useful, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell on. And if you have any question concerning this video, or if you have any question concerning Streamlabs OBS, if you're a streamer and you love streaming and you are facing problem with streaming using OBS, you can leave a comment and I will be here to answer your questions for both. Thanks for watching, and I say peace. Bye bye.